Hello friends. So today I am Aditya again come up with a new topic, and our new topic is why Atal Bihari Vajpayee is God. God is here, the greatest of all time. So today we will discuss about his deeds, that what he did too much great, so why still he is known for his work, why he is still influential for our country. So let's talk about Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Firstly, he is our former Prime Minister who became the 10th Prime Minister of India, and he got first serving for the 13 days and after it for the 11 months. And if we talk about the next term, he got a full term for the 5 years from 1999 to 2004. And in this period, he took a great decision who changed our country a lot. So let's we discuss about him. And as we know that on the 16 August we celebrate his death anniversary. So this is a tribute for him. So a person is known by his deeds. So definitely this is a quote that a person who is recognized by his work, what he does. So definitely he's totally depend upon his deeds. So the glimpse toward his decision for our country. So firstly, if we see the major decisions of Atal Bihari Vajpayee for our country, that are nuclear test, which we known as the Pokhran test also, and the Kargil war, which was fought during the time of 1999, and Lahore Summit, the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana, the Chandrayaan 1. So these are the basically five major decisions he took for our country. And I think that these five decisions who make our country too strong still now, and now if we see these five, so we are still recognizing it for our nation. So firstly talk about the nuclear test, that which is quite famous, and a movie was formed on this topic, the Parmanu. I hope you all watched it. And this is about the Pokhran second test, in which the Indian army was testing for the nuclear bomb at the area of Pokhran. Pokhran is actually at Rajasthan in Jaisalmer district. So at that time, the all countries, like the major country we talk about, the US, they were with Pakistan. So they put sanctions on India if India wanted or grant a permission for the nuclear test. So at that time, the India secretly did these type of nuclear test at the range of Pokhran, and after it, after the whole decision, after the whole explosion and the test, they already tested. After it, the Japan and US, they put sanction on India. So because of our Atal Bihari Vajpayee, because of our former honorable Prime Minister, he took this decision and make our country reliable on ourselves. And it was begin at 3 May 1999 to 26 July 1999. And as we all know, we all celebrated 27 July as a Kargil Vijay Divas. So in this Kargil war, we knew that the Operation Vijay was successful, and our soldiers who made it successful with under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and different armed forces leaders. So basically, we can see that his motivation, inspirational lectures, or inspirational speech during that time, and we all knew that how he moralized the soldiers by his words that India is known for a peacemaker, but for the peace, for set up a peace, the India should took weapon, and it will shown to our neighbors. And definitely that war we won. So we can also say that Atal Bihari Vajpayee is also famous for this because of the achievement, the victory of Kargil war. And move to our next slide. It's about the Chandrayaan one. The firstly that he presented this idea in front of our great scientists, that they have to made a Chandrayaan 1, and because of this the India hosted the fourth flag on moon in 2009. So definitely that it is a great project, the Chandrayaan 1, for which the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and now we can see that our space station ISRO is recognized in all over the world. So definitely that these are the some glimpse of his life and some historical reasons, so that he still influential in our community, or what we can say in our generation. So definitely, and this is a tribute to our Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Thanks to all for watching this, and do subscribe and hit a like button and share as much as you can. Thank you.